Oh, hey, how was your trip?
Oh, fine. It was a smooth trip, but I was just unprepared and came a little undone, so to speak.
You know, FedEx has a lot of videos out there that teach you how to pack everything from food to electronics to even artwork. Because most shipping damage comes from not being packaged properly.
Yeah, I gotta say, some cooling packs, an insulated box, and some good tape where it matters could have gone a long way.
Well, I just traveled almost 2,000 miles. No window seat, but I did get to see a cool laser light show and enjoyed a fun little slide at the end. Even had my picture taken.
Well, without an insulated box and some cooling packs, things started getting a little fishy over Fayetteville.
Well, I'm just excited for the unboxing. I love seeing their faces when they open me up.
Oh, I love the unboxing.
You know, with that aroma, you might need to pray a cat doesn't find you first.
Wait, is that me?
Delight your customers. Find tips on how to pack videos at fedex.com/howtopack.